Hello everyone, I'm your English teacher Khushbu ma'am. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to start a new chapter of English language, sentences. Earlier we have read about four kinds: declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Now we will talk about broad categories of sentences: simple, compound and complex. So let's start. Now, before starting the chapter, let's have a short glimpse of sentences and clauses. We have already read about it. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. What is a clause? A clause is also a kind of sentence. It has subject and a finite verb of its own. Clauses have two kinds: independent clause or principal clause, subordinate clause or dependent clause. What is an independent clause? A clause that can stand independently and makes complete sense is called the principal or main clause. What is the subordinate clause? A clause that cannot stand on its own and depends on another clause to make complete sense is called a subordinate clause. More of this, a sentence may consist of one or more clauses. Now let's get started with types of sentences. It is divided into three types: simple, compound and complex. One by one we will discuss about all the types of sentences. First, we will talk about simple sentences. A sentence which has only one finite verb is called a simple sentence. As for example, we like pizza. The boys went to the park. She smiled. Here, with the help of example, we can understand that these sentences consist only a subject and a predicate, or you can say only one finite verb. Also expresses the complete sense. Now, second, compound sentences. A sentence which is made up of two or more principal clauses, and each clause has a finite verb, and also the two clauses are joined by the coordinating conjunctions, are called compound sentences. For example, Shilpi sat in the park and she read a book. Here you can see we are getting two subjects, Shilpi and she, and two finite verbs, sat and read, and both the sentences joined by the conjunction and. Also, each clause or sentence is of equal importance and make complete sense of its own. So, this example will consider under compound sentence. Another examples are: the boys went to the park but they did not go to the zoo. She smiled and she laughed. The both example will consider under compound sentences because they both have joined with the help of coordinating conjunction, and another one is and also they both sentences giving their own complete sense. Now another one is complex sentences. A complex sentence has an independent clause and one or more dependent clause. The dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunctions. For example, when he came home, his mother hugged him. Here you can see that in this sentence one dependent and one independent clause has given. When he came here, it is dependent. Why? Because this statement has subject and a finite verb, but it is starting with subordinating conjunction when. So it will be considered as dependent clause, which is giving incomplete sense, where his mother hugged him. It is independent clause because it has one finite verb and also giving complete sense. Hope it is clear to everyone what is a simple, compound and complex sentences. Now go through the video again and again and try to make your concept very clear. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.